Welcome to our guide on how to withdraw money from stake to your bank account. Whether you're a seasoned player or new to online gambling, we've got you covered. First, let's access the withdrawal section. Simply log into your stake account and find the withdrawal option in the navigation bar. Select the bank transfer option to proceed with your withdrawal. This method is reliable for transferring funds directly to your bank account. Enter the amount you'd like to withdraw and double-check your details to ensure everything is correct. It's important to be aware of stake's withdrawal policies and any potential fees involved. Take a moment to read through these to avoid surprises. If you haven't linked your bank account yet, you'll need to do that. Follow the simple prompts on your screen to connect your bank. Stake may require you to confirm your identity before processing the withdrawal. Make sure to have your identification ready. Once you're all set, initiate the withdrawal process by clicking the Confirm button. Your request will be sent for processing. You can monitor the status of your withdrawal in your account. Keep an eye on it until the funds reflect in your bank. In conclusion, withdrawing from stake to your bank account is straightforward if you follow these steps. Remember to always double-check your details and stay informed.